This really is something that most of us are familiar with, right? It's Google Docs, or it's Expensify, or it's Microsoft 365, Dropbox, another popular example. Where as a user, I don't install, I don't download, I don't configure. Maybe I take a trial, put in a license key, swipe a credit card, and I'm up and running, and life is good. So where MBAS fits into this, and again, without getting into the religious debate whether it's a slap-on to PaaS or it does have characteristics that are tied to both PaaS and SaaS. On the one hand, it is a developer-focused service, right? MBAS is consumed by developers in building mobile apps. So it's not something that an end user touches directly. But on the other hand, it has that kind of readiness behind it that PaaS doesn't typically give you if you're looking to build an app. Pre-built services that a developer can simply kind of pull off the shelf, wrap into an app, and deploy very quickly. So what are the requirements of an MBAS solution? Well, obviously, anything cloud by definition infers a certain amount of elastic scale or on-demand usage, however you want to call it, that says the more I use, the more resources I get. The less I use, the less resources I get. As opposed to the traditional model that says, you know what, I've got to take a stab. I don't want to buy too little hardware or infrastructure. Otherwise, I'm going to cause damage to the users. If I buy too much, I'm over-engineering a system. I'm paying too much. It's wasted cost. And it's very difficult to gauge that. Anything on demand through the cloud basically means I've just got a sliding scroll bar. My app is wildly successful. On-demand resources are made available to me. If, for whatever reason, I'm not successful or it's a period of seasonality that doesn't require as much, then I consume less resources and I subsequently pay less for it. But it also infers a certain amount of availability.